Hey guys, welcome back to Global Motors Arena. You'll need deep pockets and a lot of patience just to keep these cool sports cars on the road. Who doesn't love premium sports cars? They are generally fast, powerful, and comfortable. However, given the high sticker prices and depreciation rates of luxury sports cars, you should get one that is reliable and inexpensive to maintain. Ford, Honda, and Toyota are some of the most reliable sports car brands you can depend on when it comes to used cars. On the flip side, you may want to avoid used cars made by some of the most unreliable car brands like Jeep, Jaguar, and Chrysler. Settling for any of the following premium sports cars means you may spend less time on the road and frequent your mechanic shop more often than you bargained for. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 9 premium sports cars that'll bankrupt you through maintenance and repairs. Number 9. Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevrolet Corvette's performance reputation precedes it, but you have to spend good money on maintenance and repairs to continue enjoying the punch the Corvette offers. Going by Courage's estimations, you will spend roughly $771 on maintaining the Corvette every year, which is more than what you'd have spent on an average coupe. Data from RepairPal shows about 55 problems reported about the Corvette, with the most common one being fuel level sensor failure. The engine, transmission, steering, and wheels also raise reliability concerns for the Corvette. Number 8. Nissan GT-R. The ultimate Japanese performance car, the Nissan GT-R packs explosive power that satisfies your performance cravings. However, the GT-R is weighed down, particularly by engine and transmission issues. Courage estimates the GT-R's maintenance and repair cost to be about $8,243, while RepairPal considers the annual service costs to be roughly $920. Replacing the GT-R's fuel pump sets you back between $1,958 and $1,986. Number 7. Dodge Challenger. As one of the fastest and most powerful muscle cars around today, the Dodge Challenger is an enthusiast's dream car. While the Challenger is reasonably affordable and just above average in terms of reliability, you should be ready to deal with problems like incessant steering vibration, harsh downshift quality, and repeated fuel tank nozzle shut-off while fueling the Challenger. To keep your Challenger in good shape for up to a decade may set you back $8,436, going by Courage's estimation. One of the most expensive parts of the Challenger to replace is the vehicle speed sensor, which costs around $860. There are a total number of 31 safety recalls for the Challenger, with a majority of them due to issues with the airbags, engine, and transmission. Porsche 718 Boxster. Everything from the sporty edges to the mid-engined layout makes the Porsche 718 Boxster so alluring. But if you want a reliable sports car, the 718 Boxster might not be the best choice, with its below-average reliability rating. Ranked 32nd out of 32 for all car brands analyzed by RepairPal for reliability, Porsche makes some of the most unreliable sports cars. You should spend something in the neighborhood of $15,670 over 10 years just to keep the 718 Boxster in a healthy condition, according to Courage. About 8 safety recalls have been issued for the 718 Boxster since its introduction in 2017. These recalls were prompted by issues with the airbags, engine, fuel system, suspension, and windshield. Number 5. Porsche 911. Porsche is one of the least reliable car brands, and the 911 is one of the worst sports cars out there. Plagued by a ton of problems including engine oil leaks, misfiring, brake fluid leaks, and faulty electrical parts, the Porsche 911 earns a poor reliability rating of 2.0 out of 5.0. Depending on several factors including age, model, mileage, and location, the average maintenance for the Porsche 911 over a decade is in the region of $18,231. A total of 44 recalls have been issued for the Porsche 911 due to concerns about airbags, suspension, fuel system, and engine. Number 4. Ferrari LaFerrari. Boasting the most powerful naturally aspirated engine ever mounted on a road-going Ferrari, the LaFerrari gets your heart racing just by looking at it. For a sports car that commanded around $1.5 million on release, you'd expect the LaFerrari's maintenance costs to be hefty as well. Replacing the LaFerrari's front tires alone cost about $1,000, while the rear tires could set you back as much as $1,800. What's more, replacing the brakes can be as high as $40,000. Number 3. BMW Z4. When it comes to reliability, BMW doesn't fare too well, earning a rating of 2.5 out of 5.0. BMW Z4 owners have to grapple with problems like engine overheating, oil leaks, coolant leaks, and thrust rod bushings failure. A total of 22 recalls have been issued for the Z4 from 2003 to date. To keep the Z4 running smoothly for over a decade should cost you roughly $13,999. This maintenance figure is about $1,678 more than that of the average luxury convertible. Number 2. Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a luxury sports car with superior performance. But its reliability is questionable, so you may spend more than the average cost for maintaining a luxury car for the F-Type. During the first 10 years of ownership, the F-Type will require about $13,255 for regular servicing. When it comes to replacing parts like the AC evaporator, the average cost for the F-Type is between $2,305 and $2,578. Also, there are at least 14 recalls on the F-Type, with the most common one being fuel leaking into the engine bay. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz SLC 300. When it comes to reliability, Mercedes-Benz ranked 27th out of 32 automotive brands analyzed by RepairPal, so don't expect much from the SLC 300. The Mercedes-Benz two-seat retractable hardtop convertible has been recalled 3 times, thanks to ECAL system failure and brake overheating. As a Mercedes-Benz, it goes without saying that the SLC 300 is expensive to maintain and repair. A 10-year basic service charge for the SLC 300 should amount to roughly $11,201. While the engine oil level sensor of a BMW 435i xDrive Gran Coupe will cost between $462 and $508 to replace, that of the SLC 300 costs about $907 and $1,131. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Until next time, keep on learning and exploring. See you in the next video.